I hope you're having a great day. So today I am harvesting what I have here on the farm. So I'll give some pictures of what I have, and then I'm gonna do a delivery, and then I'm gonna weed. Those are the plans for the day so far. Well, I got my harvesting done, so I'm getting ready to take them their buckets of flowers. I'm pretty excited. This is the first buckets of flowers I'm taking. I took a few tulips early in the season, and then I had deadheaded some stuff to show them what is coming. They're just short little stems, but sometimes they can use the short little stems. They're free of charge, so I threw them in just for fun. And it rained. It was just a soft rain. My plants will be doing great, and it'll be a great day for weeding. Yay! They come out so much easier, and they don't just break off at the base. Sometimes the whole roots come out. So I love weeding that way. And that's what I'm doing today on the flower farm. So I kind of thought when I was weeding, I could just give you kind of an update on how my flowers are doing. Maybe after I weed a couple rows, I'll show you some. So here are my Lysianthus, and some of them are getting really tall. Hopefully they flower soon. Some of them are a little shorter still, but they're starting to grow up and get into the netting, so that's exciting. You can kind of see down there. They're just starting to peek over it, and then I'm just weeding these rows. But I already did that entire side and this side, so they're looking pretty good. I hope I have a better batch this year than I did last year. It rained again. It was an inch last night too. That's a lot of rain. My Thai Siam Queen basil is popping up, and my purple Ruffles basil is popping up. It actually smells really good, and it just rained. Okay, I'm kind of doing a test because I have no idea if this will work or not work. So it's really wet, so I'm actually just pulling my little basil out. And then here's the test. So right behind it's in the basil Thai Siam Queen row, right behind this sign, I'm gonna put a hole, stick this in here and squish it in the mud, and I'm gonna see if it grows. And I might be wasting my time, but I'm actually doing that whenever I have like doubles or triples like this in a hole. I'm pulling one and just doing that. So we'll see if it works, if that one comes up. So my stalk is really tall, but a lot of it is laying down, so it's crooked like this. So I probably should have done a netting system for it, because now it's crooked. And I don't even know if it'll ever bloom. It has cooled off a little bit, but we will see. I mean, some of it looks like maybe it could. If not, maybe I'll use it for foliage. I hope everybody has a fantastic day.